guys, happy Wednesday. When you see this, it might even still be Wednesday actually. Definitely will be on the blog, and this recipe will be listed out there with directions and instructions and all that good stuff. Just look for that in the link in the description box. But welcome to Life with Sheila. It is 7:04 this morning. If you can see that. I am browning some ground beef. We are making taco soup for dinner. And for that, you're going to need a pound of ground beef, and then I double everything else because that's how we like it. You're going to use 2 taco seasoning packets, 1 of the ranch packets, a can of light red kidney beans, a can of seasoned black beans. You can use a combination of any beans that you like. I'm just using those today. And then 2 cans of diced tomatoes with chilies. I am actually using one with diced tomatoes and jalapenos just because I want to try that and see. But our schedule got switched around, and my husband got thrown on nights unexpectedly in the middle of the day yesterday. So thankfully he didn't have to go until late, so he had dinner. And so I usually try to have something he can pack up to take with him as well. And so throwing something in the crock pot was perfect because I don't know if I don't know what his schedule is this evening. So whatever. This was on the menu, and it just happened to be a good timing recipe. What you're going to do is once this ground beef is finished browning, I'm going to drain it. I'm going to toss it in my crock pot and just dump everything else in, stir, stick it on low, let it cook all day. Or you could stick it on high and let it cook for about 3 to 4 hours. If you're not, if you're home with your crock pot. I'm usually not because I work away from home. So that is that. I will come back and show you what it looks like once I get it in the crock pot. Woo, that lighting is crazy. There is everything in there. I did forget to tell you that I leave the liquid from the beans that are in the cans. A lot of you drain them, I get it, and that's very taboo. Y'all are going to think I'm gross, but honestly, it is a flavorful liquid, and it adds a little bit of thickness when you're using beans in a soup. So, you do you, boo-boo, I'm going to do me. And I did forget to mention that I'm adding in a bag of frozen corn. I usually use canned corn, but I try not to use very many canned vegetables anymore. I would rather use fresh or frozen, and that it looks pretty thick right now. But as it heats through and just cooks through the day, it will produce enough juice. And thankfully today I have enough people home who can check and see. And if I need to add anything like a liquid, I will add probably a cup of salsa. And that is probably about it. That's it. That's it.
Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth the.
Hey guys, I am so glad that I set in the crock pot, Shelly girl, in the crock pot, because man, today was just a busy day, and now dinner's cooked. It is 4:30. I'm home from work. I've already changed into my PJs. I do not have to deliver a kid to work. Hi, Shelly girl. My husband is home tonight. He had to work nights last night, so it was nice to know that he could still have dinner if he worked. And now he can have dinner done early, and he is going to knock out because he worked a lot of hours yesterday. So, I am going to wrap this up. I will show you a clip of how I enjoy my soup. Do I smell okay? And I'm going to go enjoy time with my family. So, tomorrow starts my filming for Vlog-A-Days. I will be on a 2-day delay, so the VLOGUST videos will actually start on Saturday. Yay. And so, but you're still going to get a video Thursday and Friday because I have 2 things that I need to pre-film and get up for you, so that when I go into vlogging I can just concentrate on that and enjoy the experience. So, yay, here's to a good day. Plus today was payday, it's always nice. Say bye-bye, Shelby. Good night? Good night, my friends. Tell them night-night. Are you going to go night-night? Bye, guys. Shelby, you want to talk about your day? Did you have a good day? Did you have fun today? Did you get to play with the boys when they got home from football practice? And you got to greet Daddy when he got home from work? Yeah? Much better than yesterday when it was thundering, huh? I'm glad you had a good Wednesday. Now we're going to go outside, potty, and then we're going to go play. You go play? You want to go play? Okay, come on. Let's go. Alright, guys. So, that's what it looks like inside. The lighting is terrible, but it is what it is. And I like to serve mine with sour cream and cheese. Sometimes some jalapenos and avocado. And of course these Tortilla bite-sized chips. And that is dinner.